Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our grammar series from Las Terrenas, Dominican Republic. Right now, I'm going to talk about the biggest sentence structure error in all of your writing. And in your grading, I either labeled it as a run-on sentence or a comma splice. Specifically, it's called a comma splice. And this is when you are joining two independent clauses incorrectly. The most common mistake, and the one I'm seeing in almost everyone's writing, is where you have a independent clause and an independent clause, and you just slap them together with a comma. This is grammatically illegal, and that is what is called a comma splice. So you might have a sentence, the sun is shining, I am sitting at a table. People are just connecting those with a comma, and that is incorrect, causing that run-on sentence. Again, this is the biggest issue I'm seeing in our writing. So the most important thing here is to know that if you have a subject and a verb, you need punctuation. When you have a new subject and a new verb, you will need new punctuation. So these are two independent clauses and or two sentences. I love coffee in the morning, period, and Manuel likes bacon and eggs. I am the subject and love is the verb, and Manuel's subject, likes is the verb. I can also join these with a semicolon. Okay, notice it essentially does the same thing. It Velcros sentences together. I can also use a fanboy if you're familiar with that term. Most of us use the words and, but, or so. But again, it is a new subject and a new verb. So I need a comma and a coordinating conjunction. In this case, it's and. So these are the three ways we can link independent clauses. I think we know that. However, what we are doing is connecting them with just a comma. A side note, the word and doesn't necessarily mean a comma. Again, if I don't have a new subject and a new verb, I don't need punctuation, and this can go on forever. Here is the subject, here is the verb. I love my coffee in the morning and bacon and eggs and waffles and beans. I can just keep going. Still talking about my love. Okay? So a lot of people make this mistake. I love my coffee in the morning and bacon and eggs. There is no new subject and no new verb, so I don't need any punctuation. But here is the mistake I want us to fix. Most of us, 95% of us, are writing sentences like this. I love my coffee in the morning, comma, and Manuel likes bacon and eggs. You think that you can just put them together with a comma, and you cannot. Here is an example from an essay. The texts are very clear. Here is the subject and the verb. Texts are new subject, new verb. I must use one of these three formats to join those together. Again, the biggest error I'm seeing in your essays, and it really comes from knowing when you have a new subject and a new verb. So please remember, one subject, one verb, one piece of punctuation, and you cannot simply join independent clauses together with a comma. Hope this helps. Thank you.